Is your crypto truly safe? In a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly valuable, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We hear stories of hacks, scams, and lost private keys, and it's enough to make anyone holding cryptocurrency a little uneasy. So, how do you take control of your digital wealth and ensure its security? That's what we're diving into today, specifically looking at a popular hardware wallet, the Tangem. Now, you might be familiar with the term cold wallet. It conjures up images of secure, offline storage, a fortress for your precious Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. But is Tangem really one of these fortresses? That's what we're going to unpack. To answer that, let's first understand what makes a wallet cold. At its core, a cold wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that is not connected to the internet. This offline nature is its primary defense against online threats like malware, phishing attacks, and remote access. Think of it like keeping your physical cash locked away in a safe rather than leaving it on your online banking app. Traditional cold wallets often come in the form of USB devices that you plug into your computer only when you need to make a transaction. These devices store your private keys offline, signing transactions within the device itself before broadcasting them to the blockchain. This significantly reduces the risk of your private keys being compromised. So, where does Tangem fit into this picture? Tangem takes a slightly different approach to cold storage. Instead of a USB device with buttons and a screen, Tangem utilizes a sleek, credit card-sized smart card. This card contains a secure element chip, similar to those found in credit cards and passports, which securely stores your private keys. The crucial aspect here is that the Tangem card itself remains offline. You interact with it using the Tangem mobile app via NFC, near-field communication. When you want to make a transaction, the details are entered into the app, and then you tap your Tangem card against your phone. The secure element on the card signs the transaction offline, and the signed transaction is then broadcast to the network through your phone's internet connection. This NFC-based interaction is a key differentiator for Tangem. It eliminates the need for a physical connection to a computer, offering a more streamlined and mobile-friendly experience. However, the fundamental principle of keeping your private keys offline remains the same. The secure element on the Tangem card never exposes your private keys to your phone or the internet. Furthermore, Tangem emphasizes security through its tamper-proof design. The chip on the card is designed to be resistant to physical attacks, and any attempt to tamper with it would render the card unusable. They also employ a unique key generation and backup process, often involving multiple cards, to enhance security and prevent loss of funds. So, to circle back to our initial question, is Tangem a cold wallet? The answer is a resounding yes. While its form factor and interaction method differ from traditional USB-based hardware wallets, Tangem operates on the core principle of cold storage, keeping your private keys offline and secure within a dedicated hardware element. It provides a secure way to manage your cryptocurrencies, shielding them from the vulnerabilities of online environments. It's a modern take on cold storage, blending security with user-friendliness. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.